What's going on, everybody? This is Clifford Pen Flamingo Power Wash. Back another video for you guys. Today I'm out working in Northdale, Florida. I'm training a buddy of mine from Kissimmee. Came through to get some training. That's his trailer right there. You know what I'm saying? He getting ready to go. We over here, we're gonna be doing driveway cleaning as well as lanai cleaning with some pavers. Got some dirty driveway. Been getting a lot of these lately. Doing the walkway up here in the sidewalk. Got my man Al over here, ready to go. So you getting started on this business, man? You ready to go?
I'm ready. I'm ready to get into it.
All right, so
learning from the best.
I appreciate it, man. So this concrete is very dirty. Since we out here already, we're gonna go ahead and pre-treat the concrete and loosen up the algae. So he's gonna start up here at the top. We're gonna do that also. We'll also be doing the walkway, so you can treat the walkway too. Mm-hmm.
Oh, to the doorway?
Yeah, just try not to spray the door. Just a light layer. Yeah, I gotta get the line probably. But yeah. That's good enough, yeah. You ain't gotta flood it too much.
No?
Nah, especially up here because there's not that much algae. Yeah, just like that, perfect. Yeah, like that, there you go. And by the time we come back here, all the algae gonna start loosening up. It's gonna turn white on you. And just be careful around the edge of the grass so you don't spray it. So you can just stop short. There you go. So sidewalk, driveway, all that is treated. We're gonna make our way to the back and start doing the pavers in the back. These are the back pavers. These are dirty. But it's gonna get cleaned up. We're gonna use the same mix that we did on the yeah, we're gonna pre-treat the floor, yeah, that we use in the driveway. We're gonna soak this up, let it kill all the algae. And you don't really have to worry about getting that in the pool because it's the same thing that's in the pool already. We just want to keep the dirty water out the pool. Apply our mix to the screen now. The cage itself is oxidized. You see that right there? So no high pressure, just soft washing. Make sure you hit the screens because I can see the algae on them. The palm tree? Nah, it ain't gonna die. You hit the bottom. You gotta hit the bottom screens too. Yeah. Yep. And oh, be careful not to push that water in there. Be careful not to push the water from the pool deck onto the inside the pool. Yeah, so watch how you rinse. All right, we are done here with the pool deck and the pool screen. We're just grabbing a little few things out the pool that fell in from when we was rinsing. It was tough on this one here to keep the water, some of the dirty water out the pool, because I had to clean the inside edge. They want me to clean the inside edge, and there's no way I can avoid getting water in there. So he understood that, and you know, he was okay with it. But we're gonna go ahead and start doing the driveway, man, and be done for the day. You can go one time or go slower. One time, yeah, go slower.
with the hog. It ain't
Oh, it's looking this way. It look like, nah, but that's a parrot. I don't know what that is. Oh, nope. Oh, yeah, I ain't put my arm out. See if it jump on it. Yo, we're done for the day. I got a couple of jobs with my man. We did one job. We did a roof cleaning. We ain't really getting no footage from it, but it was cool to get some hands-on experience with him. And we talked, you know, so went to lunch and chopped it up, gave him some pointers and stuff like that. We're done for the weekend. Actually, I take that back. I got a commercial job tomorrow. I'll go ahead and get some footage for you guys. I'll see y'all in the next video. Peace.